Are you disabled and unable to work and wondering how to get Social Security disability insurance benefits? My name is Caitlin Wildonor, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. Today, we're going to talk about how to get Social Security disability insurance or SSDI benefits if you are disabled and unable to work for a period of at least 12 months. Number one, you want to understand the eligibility requirements. Familiarize yourself with the eligibility requirements for SSDI benefits, including having a qualifying disability and sufficient work credits. Number two, gather relevant documentation. That includes relevant medical records, doctor's contact information, doctor's reports, and any other evidence that supports your disability and its impact on your ability to function and ability to work. In that same vein, you'll want to consult with healthcare professionals. If you can, seek medical advice and make sure that your medical records accurately reflect your condition, your limitations, and the conversations that you have with the medical providers. You can file an application directly online with the Social Security Administration through their website using your My Social Security account. You can also apply directly with your local office in person or over the phone. When you submit the application, you'll want to fill out not only the application, but any subsequent forms accurately, completely, and provide detailed information about your medical condition, your work history, and any other required information. Number six, submit any required documents. Along with your application and even thereafter, there may be additional relevant documentation that can support your disability claim, such as medical records, work history, any information about any potential workers' compensation settlement, any other pensions sometimes are relevant. And then the Social Security Administration will also send you paperwork that they will ask for you to fill out to help them better understand the way your conditions impact your ability to function. Through the process, be sure that you're cooperating with the Social Security Administration. Be responsive to any requests for additional information or medical examinations from the Social Security Administration or the state agency that's processing the claim during the evaluation process. Waiting for the decision can be frustrating, but during that time, the Social Security Administration is reviewing your application and the supporting documents, including the relevant medical records. This decision-making process can take several months. If your initial application is denied, then you have the right to appeal the decision within a specific time frame, typically 60 days plus an additional 5 days for mailing from the date of the denial. Be sure to follow the Social Security Administration's guidelines for the appeals process. Throughout the appeals process, be sure to continue your medical treatment. Continue seeking medical treatment and adhere to the prescribed therapies to demonstrate the ongoing impact that your disability has on your ability to work and function. Remember, the SSDI application process can be complex and each case is unique. Seeking assistance from a qualified Social Security disability attorney can sometimes help to improve your chances of a successful claim. Always refer to the official Social Security Administration's website or contact your local Social Security office for the most up-to-date information and guidance about applying for Social Security disability benefits. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.